All right, good afternoon, everybody. What is today's bargain? On Harbor Freight, these clearance brushes right here, 1 inch wide, 37 cents each. But when I stopped by there, the lady goes, look, you buy these, I'll still give you the 20% off. Brings it down to around 30 cents. So I went ahead and I picked up 3 of them. Now, I know the ups and downs of these because I've gotten these before in the past, and even with the chip brushes. Okay, so what are the downfalls to this? Well, the bristles can come out of here fairly easily if you're going to use it for any kind of finish work. So the word in here, professional paintbrush, it's not, okay? Don't think that it is. You're not going to get that professional finish because even the bristles at the tip, if they don't come out on you while you're trying to apply the finish, it's still the marks that it leaves. They're not, the tips of these are just not professional grade. You should spend the money and get something better, especially if you're going to do door trim or apply varnish lacquer, anything like that. So, but they come in real useful for a lot of other things. And the way to get around some of this is if you crimp this just where that metal starts to enter the brush or vice versa, you crimp it real hard with vice grips or even in a vise, and don't overdo it. And then bang it against the edge of a piece of wood a whole bunch of times, and all of the loose ones should fall out. Then you're pretty good to go to use it for some types of finishes. I use it to apply stains and dyes. I go ahead and try to wash them up because I'll use it again when it comes to stains and dyes. That's really not going to be my top finish anyway, so the thing is I'm not that concerned about it. If I can get 3, 4, 5 uses out of them before I discard them, I mean, that's even better for the price. Well, what else can you use it for? Well, I use it to dust off things like around my drill press if I'm drilling metal, or I use it to dust off pieces of equipment. You could use it on a keyboard, I suppose. There's also another use. I mean, there are times where I'm putting together projects and I'm doing glue ups, and I use these because they're throwaway, and like I said, they were inexpensive enough, so I can just dip them in the woodworking glue and I can apply it. It works good for that also. Things like that. So it comes in handy for other uses rather than just strictly paint. Now, there's another fix to this. If you're still worried about the bristles coming out, what I've done at home, which is I use CA glue. I use it in the shop quite a bit. Right along that edge where the metal meets the bristles, I just drizzle some of that CA glue around it, around the front, on both the front and the back. Takes seconds to harden. I mean, CA glue hardens like real quick. Now, if you don't have CA glue while you're out there, they sell like, I don't know, 2, 3 tubes, small tubes of it for $1 or something like that. You could pick some of it up and you could try that. Those are the 2 fixes for this, and they work for me. I would encourage you, if you want, to do one method or the other, try crimping it or add a little bit of CA glue, or you can do both. Anyway, they're not professional grade brushes, but they will work on a multitude of other things. So when you pick them up for 30 cents each, I picked up 3 of them, plus tax. Look, for me, that's a pretty good bargain. It's even cheaper than Home Depot and Lowe's, on a lot of their chip brushes or their throwaway brushes, and they're about equal in terms of quality. But, again, if you're going to paint, trim or something where the finish really matters, do what I do. Get yourself a really good quality brush. Home Depot and Lowe's both sells those. Kind of your quick tip of the week. They do come in handy, so think about it when you're out there. Anyway, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. Let me know if you got any other questions about this, or if you know another better product. Otherwise, I hope you click subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.